So here the topic is chapter 1 and the exercise is 1.12 at 1.6. So first few minutes we will discuss here coprime number. Coprime number. Who can say the definition of coprime number? Anyone? Who can say the definition of coprime number? What is coprime number? Anyone?
The number which is divisible with only one and the number itself is called coprime number.
Coprime, but you have said the definition of prime number. Coprime number definition is little bit different from the prime number. So anyone? What is the prime number? Anyone who can say what is the definition of prime number?
The number which is divisible with only one and the number itself is called prime.
Okay, this is the prime number. Now we if the two numbers together have a right here, if two numbers have no common factor except what? If two numbers have no common factor except one, then together they are called coprime. Coprime number. So this is the definition of coprime number. Now, example set here. Example 8, 8 and 9, and there is 8 and 9, 7 and 15. So here, just see here. Together 8 and 9, this is the coprime number, and 7 and 15 coprime number. So we can review this how they are coprime number. Here 8 is equals to 1 multiply 8 and 2 multiply 4. So the factors of 8 will be factors of 8 is equals to 1, 2, 4, 8. This is the factors of 8. Again, 9 equals to 1 multiply 9. 9 is equal to 3 multiply 3. So factors of, we can write here, factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. What we see in between them? The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. So there are only one common factors in between them, which is 1. There is no common factors except 1. There is no common factor except 1. So there is no common factor. There are no common factor except 1. So 8,9 is co-prime number. I hope this is now very clear to all of you. Dear students, did you understand it properly? Please. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Do you
Yes,
have
sir.
any question here? No. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now test the 7 and 15. Now in the same way you can test 7 and 15 are they co-prime or not? Okay. Another questions for you. This is the question number 2. Identify co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. (15, 20) and 15, 20 and 27, 27 and 20. So identify the co-prime numbers. Which one is co-prime from these two pair of number? Anyone? I will give you 2 minutes. So
27 and 20. 27 and 20.
Yes, 27 and 20. So I will give you 2 minutes. Dear students.
27 and 20.
Okay, why you think 27 and 20 are co-prime number?
Because sir, 15 and 20 are divided by 5.
Yes, 15 and 20 are divided by 5. Thank you so much. Then there are 27 and 20. There are no co-prime numbers. So definitely their answer is 27 and 20. So it's the 1 mark question in MCQ. Just identify the correct answer. But in times of CQ part, and you have to show like this. First, you have to find the factors. That you have to show is there no common factors except 1. Then each one will be prime numbers. Do you know what is the LCM in Euclid method? So inshallah today we will try to practice another creative questions.
Sir,
Yes.
আপনি 1 নাম্বারটা কি করিয়েছিলেন?
Number one. Just identify definition of coprime numbers and identify the coprime numbers. Second questions. First question, definition of coprime number with example. So I think you can see now it. Okay, another questions.
Kamal sir.
Yes.
ওই যারা ক্যামেরা অন করে অনেকেই ক্যামেরা অন করে না আমি ওদেরকে ওয়েটিং রুমে রেখে দিচ্ছি হ্যাঁ
Okay sir, thank you. Please dear students, turn on your camera. Without turn on your camera, I think you will not able to connect with me in the class. So it's strongly instruction given to us without camera on, you will not be allowed here. So now next question number 3. Identify which number one of the following numbers which following number is divisible by 6. Number A 6 6 6. Then 2. Number B 3 3, 3 and 6. Number C, number C, number C, we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4. That number D is given here 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So which number is divisible by 3? Identify this answer. Is there anyone who can do this one? Which is the condition to become the divisibility by 6? Anyone?
The number which can be divided by 3 and 2 will also be divided by 6.
Yes, absolutely right answer. Ammu, thank you so much. Yes, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number will be divisible by 6. So,
Sir,
yes,
B number.
you think your answer is B. Okay. Why you think answer is B?
B number.
Why you think answer is B? Explain.
Sir, because the sum of the numbers are 15 and the last a positive number means even number 3.
Okay, the other sum is 15, that's why it's divisible by 3. So now we have to know the two condition here. Is this divisible by 2 and is this divisible by 3? So what is the condition to become the divisibility by 3? What is the condition to become divisibility by 3?
Sir, the sum of the numbers are equal to 15. So it means it is divisible by 15 is divisible by 3. That's why it is divisible by 3.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So this now we can write here. Actually, this is MCQ based question, but sometimes it becomes in also the A part, number A in the CQ part. So here, option A, this is even number. Always number you can justify 6, 6, 6, 6, 2. Here. It is even number. Even. It is even number. So it's always divisible by 2. So even number is always divisible by 2. Again, sum of all digits. Sum of all digits. Sum of all digits is equals to 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2. There are 20. So now test by 3. If 20 is divided by 3, there will be remainder 2. So here 20 is not divisible by 20 is not divisible by 3. Here 20 is not divisible by 3. So there's some 6, 6, 6, 2 is not divisible by 3. So in the first option we see here the number is divisible by 2, not by 3. Finally we can say that is 6, 6, 6, 2 is not divisible by 6. So this first information is right. In the same way, just you can justify B and C and D. So D is odd number, it's not divisible by D is odd number, is not divisible by 2. Definitely it's wrong answer. And A is only divisible by 2, not by 3. And here their sum will be 6 plus 4, 10. So sum there in option C, their sum is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. 10 is not divisible by 3. There are remainder 1. So this is not divisible by 6. So our remaining answer is number 6. Even number, that's why it will divisible by 2. And their sum is 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 is also divisible by 3. So finally, we can say the 6 is B is our correct answer. So now it's okay. Dear students, do you have any question here? All
No,
of you,
sir.
I think.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So
one and two number take to দেখাবেন
number 1 and 2. Okay,
Yes,
Amod,
sir.
the first question, number 1 is the definition of coprime number. Number 2, just identify the coprime number. So here, this is our answer. Coprime number is this one. And this is our answer, coprime number. So,
Sir, done.
okay, now
Please see number.
number C. Okay. Please do, this is the question number C, means this is the third questions related with the divisibility by 6. If you have to answer these types of questions in creative part, then you have to write up to last in terms of CQ part. But in terms of MCQ, if you identify the right answer, is okay. But how you have done, it's no need in terms of MCQ. Now, next question. Which number will be placed? Question number 4. Which number? I think sometimes is which number have to be which number will be placed? Say which number will be placed in blank box so that it would be will divisible. It will divisible by 9. This is option is 3, 4, 3, 4, 7, 8, blank box, 3, 7, 8, and 6, 2. So I will give you 2 minutes. Within these 2 minutes, do this question. This is not MCQ question. This it may be both MCQ and CQ part question.
কামাল স্যার,
Yes.
স্যার একটু বলি, এখনো যারা আমি কিছুক্ষণ আগে কয়েকজনকে ওয়েটিং রুমে রাখছিলাম, আবার জয়েন করাইছি, এরপরে যদি ক্যামেরা অন না করে তাহলে কিন্তু একবারে রিমুভ করে দিব।
So dear students, I think it's your academic class routine already given, so you know time and the class period. So definitely you should prepare as regular students.
আর কেউ যদি স্যার মানে ক্যামেরা মুখের দিকে না রাখতে চায়, কপির দিকে রাখলেও হবে। হ্যাঁ,
Okay.
কপির দিকে বা সে প্রেজেন্ট আছে লিখতেছে এটা দেখালেও হবে। হ্যাঁ,
Okay, thank you, sir.
ক্যামেরা অফ করে কোনো ক্লাসে জয়েন করা যাবে না।
Sir,
Yes,
the answer will be 5.
your answer is 5. Anyone else who have done this one? So what is the condition to become divisibility by 9? What is the
Sir?
condition? Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
we will find the sum and
Yes, first step we
And-
have to find the sum and we have to test is the result is divisible by 9 or not. If the sum is divisible by 9, then whole number will be divisible by 9. Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay, now we can test our answer. Here, sum of all numbers, sum of all digits of the given number. Right here, sum of all digits in the given number. Sum of all digits in the given number is 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2. What will be sum?
Sir,
Sum
22.
is it 22? Okay, 22, 7, 7, 7, 14, 14, 21. I know it's not 22. It's more than 22. I think please do again addition here.
Sir, 30.
This is the 30. Okay, like
Yeah,
3 plus
30.
yes, 30. Thank you. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. 14 plus 8, 22 is 30. Thank you. Answer is 30. Now test here, 30 is divisible by 9 or not. Here 30
Yes, sir, it is divisible by 9.
30 is divisible by 9. Okay, let me review here. 9,
No, sir.
3
sir.
and
No, sir.
27. Okay. There is remainder 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. So now here
So there will be 3 in the
30 is not divisible. 30 is not divisible by 9. So we have to add. So we have to add
Sir,
in
answer will be 6.
answer will be 6. The answer will be the difference of between divisor and remainder. There are divisor is 6, 9 and remainder is 3. So answer will be 6. That means divisor of remainder, difference of divisor and remainder. So here 30 is not divisible by 9. So we have to add the difference of divisor and remainder at the or 6 in the blank box So our answer is now right here. So given number will be given number will be, what is given number? 3 plus, okay, now write here the whole number here, 3478.
3478
Okay, 3478, and the blank box inside the number it will be 6 and then 62, and final answer only inside the blank box there is 6. So this is our answer. So please, I think whole questions you can see now at a time. Did you complete this one? Yes.
Yes, sir.
discuss again the last part.
Last part means okay, sometimes you may confused here, but the written word is add. But we have done here subtraction. That means we have to add the number which is difference of divisor and remainder. That means there are divisor is 9 here and remainder is 3 here, and their difference is 6. So 6 will be added in the blank box. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means sometimes you may confused here by see the add, but in the calculation we see here the subtraction. Also you can write the word in absence of add. We have to place. It's also okay. If you write here, we have to place. We have to place 9 minus 3 equal to 6 in the blank box. So in absence of add, you can write here we have to place. No problem. It's also be okay. It may erase your confusion. So place there will be, we have to place, we have to place 9 minus 3 or 6 in the blank box. So this is our answer. So dear students, I hope you understood this one properly. Am I right? Do you have any question, please?
No, sir.
So this divisibility condition is okay. Next question, number 5. A local counting system and international counting system. Is it question number 5 or 6? Next question. Question number 6. Okay, 3. Is it 5? Okay.
5.
Number 5. International counting system. In international system, 3 to 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 0. So what is called in international counting system? Anyone?
623,045,210.
Where is thousand? Million, billion done, but no thousand. Where is thousand? Is there no thousand in international counting system?
There are.
You have done mistake, Ammo. Okay. Anyone? Anyone else?
62,345,210.
Okay. First, in international system, it's very easy. Just make the comma just after 3 digits from the right to left. 1, 2, 3. This is the first comma, and 1, 2, 3. This is the second comma. So first comma for 1000. First comma for 1000. First comma for 1000. Second comma for million. First comma for 1000. Second comma for million. So it's 62 millions. It's called the 62 millions. Then 345,210. Is it okay now? Just international system is very easy. Just after 3.
No, sir.
Okay, I will discuss again. Just after 3 digits, use the first one 1000, second one million, and third one billion. The next one is trillion. Just after 3 digits. Okay. Another example here. This is the number 6. Number 6. So I think Kamal son number with the 01717 684 383. So what is in international system? Is this one?
Sir, a comma after 3 digits.
In international system, what is called? First comma for 3 digits. Second comma for another 3 digits. And third comma for another 3 digits. So what will be here? Anyone please raise your hand.
Sir,
1,717,684,383.
Yes, absolutely right answer. It's the first comma for 1000, second comma for million, and third comma for billion. So it's 1 billion means 1 billion. 1,717,684,383. So I think local system and international system. Okay, what will be called in the local system? Is there name in the local system? Anyone? If I write the same number, what will be in our counting system? Number 7. Same question like 01717684383. What is in local counting system?
comma after 2 digits, 3 digits, and 3 digits.
Okay, in the first local counting system, okay, I will give you certain students in waiting room. I think max they are not turning on their camera. Okay. Dear students, so what will be in the local system? Anyone? in the local counting system? Dear students, try to answer.
171 crore 76,84,383.
Anyone else? She's right or wrong?
Sir,
310.
she is right.
She is right. Okay, in my system, I use usually just 3, 2, 2. 3, 2, 2, and 3. So if we write here, this is same in the thousand. This is thousand. And then our local system, this one will be lakh, LAC, lakh, and this is crore. So it's 171, or you can write here 171 crore, 171 crore 76 lakh 84,383. I am repeating again. It's 171. It's 100. There are no any digit, so we can skip the first 0. There are 171 crores 76 lakh 84,383. Is it okay now? So if I give here another digit, what will be placed here? Like 3 1 31717 684 383. So if I place here another digit in place of 0, so now what will be in local system?
3,171 lakh
Yes.
76 crore 76 lakh 84,383.
Yes, I'm absolutely right. So if we add here 3 in absent of 0, so there will be another comma. So just use here comma system is 322. 322 in local system, 322. Just after 3 digit first comma, then 2 digit second comma, then 2 digit is third comma. Again start from 322, 322. So this is called 300 3,171 crore. This is called 3,171 crore. And then the 76 lakh 84,383. So now I hope this is very clear to all of you. Can you see the creative question in the board?
Yes, sir.
Who can?
Yes,
Okay, is it possible to find the correct answer?
yes, sir.
Okay, first questions. There are prime. This is the CQ. So I think this CQ will be your homework. Observe the following numbers: 58, 93, and 144. 144 is prime number. Convert 144 in the prime numbers. So how we can convert this one into the prime numbers? Anyone? If we write the answer A like this, just you have to divide 144 by all prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, and then 11. So first try 2, then try 3, then try by 5. So first we can try by 2. There will be 7 and 2. Again we can divide by 2, and there will be 3, 6. Again we can divide by 2. There will be 18. So now again we divide by 2. There will be 9. And now this is not divisible by 2. So now we can try with the 3. This is not by now 2. 2 is done. So if we divide by 3, there will be 3. So I think 3 is another prime number. So if we express 144 into the prime factors, this one will be 144 is equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, or 3 multiply 3, and this is our answer. Express any number into the prime factors. That means all of the prime numbers, if we do multiply, we will get here 144. Is it okay?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
my friends have some problem in their camera. That's why they can't turn it on. Could you please take them back to the class?
Actually, this instruction is given by the higher authority. Without camera on, they will not allow in the classes. The instruction is given from the authority. Thank you, Amo. Okay.
Sir, আপনি কি number 3 টা দেখাবেন?
Number 3 is this CQ number 3 or question number 3?
Sir, question number 3.
Question number 3 is there question. Oh my God, where is question number 3? Okay. This is question number 4. Take 2. We have just, okay, this is the question number 3. I think now you can see. Just wait few seconds. This is the full of question number 3. Yes. Now you can take this screenshot. Is it okay? Okay, thank you. So,
Sir, can I see the question number 4?
oh my God. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Just we can first complete. Do you know what is the Euclid method? Anyone?
Yes,
I
sir.
hope yes. So by using the Euclid method, find the correct answer. So in the maximum word, maximum means is it ACF or LCM?
Sir, ACF.
Yes. So this number will be ACF. CF is the maximum number, highest number, the greatest number. This word always indicate us about ACF. Maximum number, highest number, largest number. This word always indicate us about the ACF. And so Euclid method mentioned here, just do LCM in Euclid method. Okay. Okay, now dear students, একজন একটু প্রশ্ন করেছিলে কত নাম্বার কোশ্চেন? এনিওয়ান? নাম্বার 4 or 3 নিয়ে একজন একটু কোশ্চেন করেছিলে। আচ্ছা, ওকে, তোমাদের আর কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন আছে কিনা? This CQ is your homework. This is your homework.
Sir, 6
Yes.
নাম্বারটা দেখাবেন।
Number 6, again number 6. Okay, Ammu. Number 6, number
Sir, time
6.
is over.
Okay, sir, just 10
স্যার
seconds.
আপনি ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেনটা আরেকবার একটু দেখাতে পারবেন?
Okay, this is the number 6 in the counting in low international system. 1,717,717,684,383. So this is the 7 and 3. So dear students,
Sir,
this
5,
is,
6 আর 7
স্যার
একসাথে
ক্রিয়েটিভ
দেখাতে
কোশ্চেনটা
পারবেন?
আরেকবার একটু দেখাবেন?
স্যার তোমরা হঠাৎ করে সবাই দেখি সেম কোশ্চেন করছে, এতক্ষণ তোমরা কোথায় ছিলে আম্মু? So this is the creative question. Do hurry up.
ওকে স্যার, হয়ে গেছে।
Is it okay, CQ?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
হ্যাঁ, আর কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন আছে? New question?
No, sir.
So,
No, sir.
dear students, thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.